Whether it's a replacement or a shiny new upgrade, picking your next tumble dryer starts with finding the right type. There are 3 types to choose from: condenser, heat pump, and vented. Condenser tumble dryers remove moisture from your clothes and store it in a removable tank. This means they don't need a vent installing, and it's really easy to just pour the wastewater out when the tank gets full. Some models can also be connected directly to a water supply, so you'll never need to empty the tank. It'll do it all automatically. Heat pump tumble dryers recycle hot air within the drum to dry your clothes, before also storing moisture in a removable tank. They use lower temperatures, so cycles take longer than other types of tumble dryers, but it's more energy efficient and kinder on your bills. Ka-ching! Finally, vented tumble dryers remove moisture and feed it outside through a vent, so you'll need to pop it by a window or external wall and get in a professional to get it installed. Now you know the differences, you'll be able to pick the right tumble dryer to fit snugly into your home.